Nowadays, a university degree often seems like a golden ticket to success. However, there are a number of opportunities that do not require a university degree. Welcome to today's video of 8 best paying jobs in America without a university degree. We will talk about the jobs and their salaries. Formal education takes a back seat, and the driving force behind these jobs are talent, determination, and a willingness to break the mold. So, if you've dreamt of a life free from student loans, prepare to work hard in these jobs because the possibilities are endless. The rewards are beyond your wildest imagination if you have the courage to pursue your dreams. 8. Computer Support Specialist. Computer support specialists help resolve login issues, operating system and software errors. As a computer support specialist, you may also need to pull out drivers to open laptops and desktops. Given the amount of phone calls, in-person meetings, emails, and sometimes chats that occur on a daily basis, computer support specialists must have excellent communication skills. As a computer support specialist, you need to ask the right questions to identify the problem, find a solution, and make incremental fixes. Another group of computer support specialists focuses on network issues instead of responding to general help requests. Computer network support specialists receive a significant amount of phone calls and emails during emergencies. However, network issues are often the focus and originate from employees at work rather than from customers or the general public. In addition to responding to and resolving issues in a timely manner, network support specialists troubleshoot an organization's network computer systems to identify potential problems and perform routine maintenance to ensure that all components are functioning properly. Computer support specialists remain in high demand as companies upgrade aging hardware, software, and networking equipment and need more experienced and knowledgeable professionals to answer user questions. The only downside to the industry is the employment outlook in the future. The recent rise of cloud computing could increase the productivity of computer support specialists, thereby reducing the number of people companies need to hire. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that employment of computer support specialists will increase by 6.2% from 2021 to 2031. 42,700 jobs are expected to be created during this period. The median salary of a computer support specialist is $49,770. 7. Insurance Sales Agent. Insurance agents advertise, sell, and negotiate insurance contracts. They are responsible for building a customer base, explaining policies and answering customer questions, selling policies and helping customers keep their policies current. Importantly, agents are also responsible for assisting policyholders who need to file insurance claims, such as if they are involved in a car accident or their home is damaged in a fire. Insurance agents may specialize in a particular type of insurance or may be licensed to sell multiple insurance products. Life insurance agents focus on life insurance policies. Health and long-term care insurance agents specialize in policies covering costs associated with assisted living services and medical care for senior citizens. Property and casualty insurance agents sell policies that can cover damage to a home, business, automobile, or other property. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 6.3% employment growth for insurance sales agents between 2021 and 2031. In that period, 32,900,000 jobs are estimated to open up. The median salary of an insurance sales agent is $49,840. 6. Firefighter. Firefighters are trained to put out fires and rescue people and animals from dangerous situations. They respond to situations such as fires, floods, medical emergencies, and motor vehicle accidents, as well as hazardous materials situations. Most paid professional fire departments respond to all types of emergencies. Therefore, to be employed in most departments, you must be a paramedic or have specialized medical training. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that from 2021 to 2031, firefighter employment will increase by 4.3%. 13,900 jobs are expected to be created during this period. The median salary of a firefighter is $5,700. 5. Sheet metal worker. Sheet metal workers manufacture, install, and maintain buildings' heating and cooling systems to keep them warm in the winter and cool in the summer. These contractors may specialize in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, also known as HVAC, or architectural, industrial, or service sheet metal work. HVAC workers manufacture and install fans, ductwork, or ventilation equipment. Architectural sheet metal workers install panels and cladding to protect and preserve structures and buildings. Industrial sheet metal workers spend their days handling and welding heavy metals in paper mills and industrial plants, or fabricating and installing countertops, range hoods, and handrails in commercial kitchens. Service sheet metal workers focus on testing, adjusting, and balancing existing systems. Of all the sheet metal specialties, service sheet metal workers are the least construction-related and more technical. Generally, sheet metal workers fabricate and install metal products using saws, lasers, shears, presses, and computers. This sort of rigorous labor includes a high risk of illness and injury. These professionals have to attend hundreds of hours of safety training, including 30 hours of occupational safety and health administration training. Sheet metal workers must have extensive knowledge of constructing and installing air ducts, trim, and panels. You also need solid critical thinking and math skills, as well as a strong work ethic. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects employment growth for sheet metal workers to be 8% from 2021 to 2031. 1,000 jobs are estimated to be lost during this period. The median salary of a sheet metal worker is $53,440. 4. Wind turbine technician. Wind turbine technicians, also known as wind technicians, are professionals responsible for inspecting and maintaining wind turbines. They spend most of their time in the air above the turbines, maintaining and troubleshooting the turbine's electrical, mechanical, and hydraulic components, as well as replacing or repairing failed components. In addition to the technical aspects of working with turbines, from hydraulics to composites, the job could offer a good salary, benefits, and travel opportunities. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that employment of wind turbine technicians will increase by 44% between 2021 and 2031. 4,900 jobs are projected to be created during this period. The median salary of a wind turbine technician is $56,260. 3. Structural iron and steel worker. Steel fabricators install iron and steel beams to create the shapes of bridges and buildings. Because their work is often dangerous, steel workers benefit from training to learn practices and skills that improve safety on the job. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that employment of steel and steel workers will increase by 4.3% between 2021 and 2031. 3,000 jobs are forecasted to be created during this period. The median salary of a structural iron and steel worker is $58,550. 2. Brick mason and block mason. Brick masons and block masons are responsible for the aesthetically pleasing facades of buildings that fill cities and towns all over the world. They use bricks and structural stone blocks to construct and polish residential and commercial walls, as well as patios, decorative trim work, and interior structures. The job usually requires a high school education plus extensive training and on-the-job apprenticeship programs. Masons must be able to follow detailed building instructions, break or cut brick and stone to the proper sizes, mix and apply mortar and grout, assemble and finish the required structures. Brick masons work mainly with veneer and structural brick. Masons perform structural work. When it comes to commercial occupations, the boundaries between the various professions of bricklayer and mason are blurred. Large residential and commercial projects can take 2 years or more to complete, but residential construction work tends to have shorter contract terms. Masons often construct the main internal support structures of buildings, but they face detailed instructions from project designers and engineers, as well as stricter workplace regulations from the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Masons often work for union and non-union contractors as part of their careers. They can work in local markets, but they can also travel to find work, especially when local jobs are scarce or unavailable. Most experienced masons are skilled in working with all types of building materials, including brick, block, stone, glass, and plastic. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that employment of masons will increase by 2.22% between 2021 and 2031. 1,400 jobs are expected to be created during this period. The median salary of a brick mason and block mason is $59,340. One hearing aid specialist. Hearing aid specialists assess degree of hearing loss through various tests and determine the best solution for the client's level of hearing loss and lifestyle. Hearing aids also require a lot of adjustment and maintenance work when issued and fitted. A hearing care professional's job involves more than simply inserting a device into a client's ear. There is a stigma against hearing aids. Therefore, as a hearing aid specialist, you need to take the time to make your clients understand what they are missing. Studies have shown that people with hearing loss start isolating themselves because they don't want to be in awkward social situations where they either can't hear the conversation or only get snippets of it. The most rewarding part of your job is to watch people hear again. The specialist may need to see their clients every 6 months for hearing aid maintenance. As the hearing aids are put into 98 degrees of humidity, they will require some cleaning and upkeep by a specialist. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 15.7% employment growth for hearing aid specialists between 2021 and 2031. 1,800 jobs are projected to be created during this period. The median salary of a hearing aid specialist is $59,500. Which job are you most interested in? Which career do you want me to talk more about? Comment down below. This eye-opening journey through the 8 best-paying jobs in America without a university degree shows that the American dream isn't bound by diplomas and degrees. So, whether you're a high school graduate looking for your path or someone seeking a new direction in life, opportunities are boundless for you. Share and subscribe for more career and business videos like this.